Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to edit the legend of a graph in Microsoft Excel. So here I am in Excel, and I've got a couple of columns of data here, just sort of placeholder data, expense and profit, and I've graphed them out using a line graph. Now to edit the legend over here, which kind of tells what each line stands for, you can click on the legend, and we're going to right click here and say Format Legend Entry. And you can select that all by itself, or we can click the whole thing all at once and format the entire legend. And this is stuff like if you want to put a border on it, change the text color, that kind of thing. However, if you want to change the border or the legend text itself, you actually have to go back to the original data because nothing that you see in the graph is actually really there. It's all being referenced back to the data that you created originally. So if I close this out and I go over here and I say profit M, so for profit margin, and hit enter, it automatically updates my legend here, and it also resizes the graph a little bit. So it doesn't change the outside border of the graph, but it makes the data in the graph a little smaller to accommodate the larger word inside the legend. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to edit your legend in Microsoft Excel. If you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.